Hello. Today, in a Python, we'll create together with Trinket. We'll create an simple animation. Our projects will be logo for Olympics. We will use the Python function like shape, pen up, pen down, pen up and pen down. There are commands used to move around the screen. Pen color, set the color of the pen and pen size. It is the thickness of the pen. Okay, we'll start for it. Our small project will be the logo for the Olympic Games, and we start with import turtle turtle. Good. Next will be equal turtle. And now we'll set pen size, which we'll draw on the screen. Let's say 5. Now using the pen up command, we'll set the position for the first circle, and also the set position for it, which will be minus 120, the first one with 60, and the next command will be pen down, and now there is the color. The first color of the circle, if I remember, it is the blue one, and we'll create now the figure, which it is the circle, and for the entire circle it is 50. Now we have the first color, first circle. We go for it for the next one. We start also with command pen up. Next one will be the position for the circle, and we have we set the position for it. We have made a mistake over here. We set the position, and now the next one will be the pen down, and also the color, what color we want to have it our circle. Let's say yellow. And now the figure, which will be the circle 50. We close the circle now that it is what we created till now. We go further with the next circle for our project. Let's say again pen up command, will also the position for it, which will be 0 with 16, and and again the pen down, and now we have the position pen down, the color. We have to create the color using the T color, will be black, and now it is the entire circle, which it is 50, and for the moment we made it this. We draw the trinket, we go further, we have the 3 circles, we needed 2 more, red in green, pen up command for the next circle. We will set the position. The position for it will be 60 with 0. Pen down command. And color, which will be, let's say, green. And now we create the circle, which it is 50 entire circle. We go run, and we will have our 4 circles. We needed 1 more, the red one, and pen up. We'll set the position for it. I made it step by step. It is good also for exercise to understand how it is works, that kind of commands, pen up and pen down, and color. And for the color, we said have to be red, to be entire color for our logo for the Olympic Games. And now with circle 50, now we get run, and then the right side will have our creation. As you can see, I didn't put the position for the red green, and have to be 120 with 60. We redo, and we will see if now it is correct, and that it is our project's Olympic Games logo. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.